Find features that distinguish it from other brands for LECTRUS 4K dashcam front and rear inside. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features: high-resolution video recording and 3-channel dashcam coverage. The front dash camera supports 4K resolution, providing ultra-clear video quality that captures every detail. The inside and rear dash cameras both support 1080p resolution. The 4K, 3-channel dash camera system covers the front, rear, and interior, ensuring no blind spots. Collision detection and parking monitoring. The dash camera for cars built-in 3-axis accelerometer automatically locks and saves video files in the event of a collision, preventing important footage from being overwritten. The G-sensor triggers emergency recording in unexpected situations to ensure critical moments are documented. The 24-hour parking monitoring feature allows the dashcam to monitor the surroundings even when the vehicle is parked, providing security. Enhanced night vision and ultra-wide coverage. High-sensitivity sensors and infrared filters ensure clear video recording in low-light conditions. Whether in dark parking lots or nighttime driving, the night vision feature provides reliable security. The front camera is equipped with an ultra-wide-angle lens to maximize the field of view and reduce blind spots. The front and inside dash cameras also feature wide-angle lenses to ensure comprehensive coverage. Efficient storage and convenient operation. Using H.264/H.265 video encoding technology, efficient video compression saves storage space while maintaining video quality. The loop recording feature automatically overwrites the oldest video when the memory card is full. The built-in large HD display allows for easy real-time viewing and playback. The simple design is easy to install and remove, fitting various vehicle models. 64 GB SD card included. Smart connectivity and stable operation. The 4K dashcam with app supports Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for wireless video transfer to phones or computers. Search on the App Store Lucky Cam, or scan the QR code on the instruction manual to download the app. It supports a supercapacitor that ensures stable operation at high temperatures and adaptation to various climates. The short start-up time of dashcam ensures immediate recording upon vehicle start. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.